Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Want to watch your favorite Netflix movies and shows offline on your laptop or PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download them step by step. It's quick, easy, and you'll never miss an episode again. Let's get started. If you don't have the Netflix app yet, just open the Microsoft Store, search for Netflix, and hit install. It's quick and easy. Once the Netflix app is installed, go ahead and open it. Now, select your favorite movie or season that you want to download. Now, scroll down to see all the episodes. You'll find the download icon at the side of each episode. Just tap on it, and the download will start. And you can easily access your downloaded movies by tapping on the three horizontal lines and selecting the first option, My Downloads. My episode hasn't fully downloaded due to internet speed, but you can still access it from here. That's it. Now you can easily download and watch Netflix movies and shows offline. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.